Variables. A program is a group of commands and instructions that tell the computer to carry out a task. In Scratch, a program is called a script. A script is made up of a number of blocks. So, the blocks are the commands or instructions that we give to the sprite to perform a task. All the numbers, text, date or pictures that we use in a program are called data. We store this data in the computer memory so that we can get information from it later. This data is stored in variables. It is called variable because it does not have a fixed value. Its value changes. For example, in the move block, the variable has a value 10 by default. You can modify this value according to your script. Types of variables. Variables can store numbers as well as letters. A variable that stores numbers is called a numeric variable. These numbers are used in calculations. Examples are 48, minus 986, 12345, etc. A variable that stores letters in the form of strings or characters is called string variable. A string variable can store names, words, sentences, numbers, and enclosed in quotation marks. For example, Kavita enclosed in quotation marks, comma, I am 12 years old enclosed in quotation marks, comma, 12345 in quotation marks. These variables are not used in calculations. Creating variables in Scratch. To create variables in Scratch, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Variables block category. A set of blocks appears in the block palette. Step 2. Click on Make a variable block. A new variable dialog box appears. Type a variable name in the new variable name box. Step 3. Click on the Radio button of either of the options. Click on For all sprites if you want this variable to appear for all the sprites, or click on For this sprite only if you want this variable to appear on all the sprites only. Here we have added the variable fruit. It will be available for all the sprites. The variable appears in the list of variables blocks. Observe that the variable name fruit appears in all the blocks. Now, create the following script. The sprite will ask you to type your favorite fruit. When you press the Enter key, the name of the fruit appears in the speech bubble of the penguin. The name of the fruit then appears in the answer as well as in the variable name of the stage. This variable fruit is a string variable as we are saving names in the variable. If you save numbers in a variable, say mobile, it will be a numeric variable.